when we went out before, we were looking for coffee. Blonde roast, tall, please. I don't think I have my wallet. Disregard my order, apologies.
You're good, have a good one.
Thank you. I didn't bring my wallet. You wait for me, okay? Just wait for me. I can't leave the car running. You're just gonna have to tolerate the cold. Yeah. It's coming down. You know, the roads aren't too good. I was gonna say aren't bad, but we want them bad. But we're gonna go in, we're gonna get some coffee, because there ain't no snowy drive without some warm coffee, right? Should be good. Stuff. What the hell was that? Let's go in. See you in a minute. Oh, hey, we just met the nicest Starbucks guy because he gave us this coffee, and he gave us this coffee because I found a card in my WRX, and I thought it was active. It's my emergency card, expiration 2026. Ah, it's nice out here. 2026, I thought I was going to be good, but no can do. So he hooked me up with this coffee. Mission complete there. I didn't complete my Good Samaritan mission. I am the person that needs help here. I'm, Good Samaritan. That guy was the Good Samaritan because I couldn't find anyone that needed help. I was looking for people that I could actually put in a situation where they needed help just so I could come to their savior. Thought that'd be pretty cool. I'm joking.